Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. This is another present I received for Christmas from my wife. I actually drive a 2001 Tucson, and I have Apple CarPlay, but it's not wireless. But what this little device does, it makes your wired Apple CarPlay into wireless Apple CarPlay. And it is actually called the wireless car adapter. And I bought this on Amazon, or ordered this on Amazon, and was given to me for Christmas. And I have to tell you, this works really well. I'm going to show you what you have to do. I'll start the car, and it's very easy. All I did was plug it in, connect to my Bluetooth, and it actually picks up my maps and everything, phone, perfectly. So this is what it looks like in the box. The box, it comes like this, and this is the actual device. It's very small, and on my car I have the one USB connection right here. Now, the one question you're going to have is, okay, you plug this in, but you can't charge your phone. That's correct. When I had it wired in with a regular wire here and I connected to my phone, it actually would charge my phone. So what I did was, for the lighter here, the 12 volt, I bought this little adapter with this little wire that I plug in the phone into, so it does charge the phone while the wireless car adapter is plugged in. So let me just plug it in and show you how it works. I'm going to go here. I'm sorry, I'm using one hand, and I'm going to come around this side here. I'm going to plug it in just like this. Okay, it's in, and it just sits there like that. It hangs down, it doggles down. You see it's got a little blue light. The blue light went off. Start the car, and it will show reading USB, Apple CarPlay, and you see that it's connected. So now I'm going to click Apple CarPlay. There's my maps, your text messages, very responsive, pretty quick. Back to the maps. So really cool device, bought from Amazon. Wireless car adapter. If you're using wired technology, this will make it wireless. The only thing you would have to do is keep your phone charged, which I do right here. I have this little adapter, and it'll keep the phone charged. Highly recommend it. So if this is your first time watching, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913 with the wireless car adapter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.